Today, I wanted to bring a special person. Juliana, are you here? I think I saw Juliana. Juliana is also from Mumbai, but Juliana did come today despite Ganesh.
Yes, I'm there,
All
Ruma.
right, here you are, Juliana. Juliana, I wanted, my dear ladies, I wanted to share this with you. I received a very beautiful email today from Juliana. And I thought that, why don't we bring the person in itself and let her share her story? You know, what are the challenges she went through, what struggles, and what she has accomplished so far. So let me, Juliana, I'll be pinning you, my dear. And all right, great. So Juliana, you are live. And Juliana, just, I would like to, the email that you sent out, it was so amazing, so inspiring. So I thought that, why not use this opportunity to bring you in front of our entire community and learn from you what has worked for you, so all of us can learn from you. So, Juliana, you can begin from the beginning of your journey to tell us, what were the struggles? I know you've gone through a lot. So tell us your struggles, what all did you do and how you came here? Just tell us your story, please.
Sure. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And so wonderful, actually. Ruma, it's all thanks to you. I was totally lost, actually. I had a late marriage. After that, postponed my family way, actually. And I waited for 7 years and then started my family way. And then it was back-to-back 2 deliveries, just a gap of 18 months. So my 2 kids were within a gap of 18 months. After that, I was in a lot of stress, Ruma. I used to, my younger child was totally, had a wish is to throw up in the initial days. So I had to take care. So all that stress took over me. And over the period of time, I started getting headaches, pounding headaches just above my neck behind. And I didn't know what it was. Initially I took thyroid test. It was to show normal. And then after about 2 or 3 years, when I actually went for the checkup, the doctor gave me another thyroid test, another level of thyroid test, which actually showed that I had a flared up thyroid, like a goiter, which it was all flared up, and then the doctor had suggested operation. So I went and showed another doctor, and then I didn't want to get myself operated any which ways. Even my deliveries, I didn't want cesarean. So I requested a doctor and followed everything, and both had a normal deliveries too. So, and I went to another doctor. He suggested don't go for any operation if you're not, if you can manage it well. So I was thinking what to do, and the doctor is saying this, and I was praying. And over the period of time, I came across your request for the webinar on the Facebook. So I registered and I saw your program. I went and I was so overjoyed seeing your experience, your mother's, how you have taken it as a challenge for the whole community, for the women of India. And I was too overwhelmed. And immediately I called my husband. I said, I want to join this program. I know it's going to be good enough for me. So I immediately joined. And since then, I have taken a real determination with all. You don't just teach fitness, Ruma. You have taught discipline. You have taught how to take each step, which is such a wonderful guidance for me. So I try to follow each and every video, each and every steps, each and everything which has benefited me marvelously. And I'm so happy. And then I had written my goal card. On my goal card, it is written, I will take my thyroids to normal level by November 21. But my husband went for the sugar level test. So I said, let me also go and give in my sugar level test and the thyroid. So my sugar levels are normal, as well as my thyroid was normal in the month of August. So that has been an achievement, only being in the Navatai family. So I am so very happy. Nothing is impossible. Even the thyroid levels, just following the water, the sleep, the everything that you have guided in the whole course, I'm benefited through it. So I can really say all thanks to you, Ruma. And God
All
bless you.
thanks to you, Juliana, because this the commitment that you bring in, of course, there is course, there is coaching, there is structure, there is right kind of knowledge. I do not discount that. But the biggest secret sauce here is your determination and focus. Yeah. So tell me also one thing, Juliana, I think that will be helpful where, you're also a member of the Accelerator Kit. Now, you had even after joining the Starter Kit, you had certain challenges, and then you joined the Healthathon. You wanted to restart the entire journey. Tell us a little bit about that also, Juliana.
Sure. After I started the whole part of it, then, I wasn't I was inconsistent in between. In between, just before August, in the month of July, I was a bit inconsistent because my kids' school started, and there are many things I had to put back in place. After a siesta of 2 to 3 months of good holiday, then for me it was a challenge with not having any mates, not having any help. I started on my diet, on my exercising. I started not being too regular with that. But then I said no, I will attending the Monday coaching classes and the Wednesday coaching classes kept me going. And then you also suggested that I join the Healthathon, and that would be a benefit to me. So definitely, yes, Healthathon has been a big, big help in my journey here. So all thanks to you again, Ruma.
I'm so happy to hear, Juliana, that Healthathon has made such a difference, because I remember our conversation during Focused Monday meetings where, you would miss the class and then the session, and then you'll say, Ruma, things are just not working out. And Mumbai was also going through a lot of challenges at that time, right? Once there was very high spike of COVID cases, then came the flood and the rain and all of that. So Mumbaikars are never, relieved. You are always on news. I could feel what you were going through, the personal challenges. I could understand that. And then I remember one Focused Monday meeting, Juliana, you came and said, Ruma, from tomorrow, I'm going to put everything in place. My food, my cooking, my cutting, sending my children to school. I'm going to put everything in place. What should I do next? And then I also recommended that just start with the Healthathon so that you can be in the journey with a few more people, and that can bring in that structure.
Yes.
And Juliana, believe me that you took that leap of faith. Listen to me, you put your trust in me, listen to me, and did that leap of faith. Many people would have said, "Theek hai, Healthathon." Why? You listened. That is the other part of it. You listened, you joined, you had your trust in me, and
Yes.
you're seeing the results. That is just amazing. Thank you so much, Juliana.
Thank you so much to you. Thank you, Ruma. God bless.
Yeah. And this is just the starting, Juliana. You will see till the end.
Yes, I will.
Yes, absolutely. And a big congratulations to Juliana from all of us. Please, a round of applause for Juliana.
Thank you so much. Thank